This is the beginner's guide to painting water droplets or raindrops on a window. Some of the techniques and hacks you will see will include mixing and blending of wet acrylic paints, base layer abstract background creation, finger painting of course, smooth blending with a brush, dry brush, and splatter brush techniques. Step 1 is to create a blurry abstract background with soft, smooth blending. Here you'll notice I'm really only using 3 paints: opaque white, raw umber, and Payne's gray. I hope you'll try painting this one with me. It's fairly simple, just requires a little bit of vision and a little bit of patience. Here is a dry brush technique to create abstract or the suggestions of a distant tree. I'm using dry brush technique here, and this is a splatter brush. This is the very beginning of the water droplet or raindrops painting. I always start with the shadows first. The shadows are a combination of Payne's gray and raw umber and a little bit watered down. Here we're starting the bright gray definition, or the brighter side of each raindrop. I just washed my brush, and now I'm using pure opaque white for small beads or highlights on each of the raindrops. Again, I hope you try this one with me. All comments and feedback are welcome here.